In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import Trello cards from a CSV file step by step. If you have a spreadsheet full of tasks, client data, or project items, and you want to quickly turn them into Trello cards without copying and pasting everything manually, this is the easiest way to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your CSV data fully imported into your Trello board in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, go to the board where you want to import your CSV data. You can do this by clicking on Boards from the main dashboard and selecting the board you want to use. Now that you're inside your board, look at the top right area of the screen. You'll see an option called Power-Ups. Click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello add-ons that extend the functionality of your board, and this is what allows us to import CSV files. After clicking Power-Ups, click on Add Power-Ups. This will open the Power-Ups Marketplace, where you can search for additional features. In the search field, type Import to Trello by BlueCat. Make sure you type it correctly so it appears in the results. Once you see Import to Trello by BlueCat in the list, click on it. Now click the Add button to add this Power-Up to your board. Trello may ask you to confirm again by clicking Add. Go ahead and confirm so the Power-Up becomes active on your board. Once the Power-Up is enabled, open it from the Power-Up section. You'll now see an option to choose a file. Click on Choose File and select the CSV file from your computer that contains the data you want to import. Make sure your CSV file is properly formatted, with column headers such as card name, description, due date, or list name if you want better organization during import. After selecting your file, Trello will display a preview of the import settings. Carefully review the displayed options. This is where you can map your CSV columns to Trello fields. For example, you can match your task title column to the card name field, your notes column to description, and assign lists if your CSV includes list names. Scroll down, and once you're satisfied with the mapping and preview, click on the Check and Import button. The system will validate your file and begin importing your data into Trello as cards. Wait a few moments while the import completes. The time it takes depends on how many rows you have in your CSV file. Once the import is complete, click on the X icon to close the import panel. Now go back to your board and review the lists. You should see your newly imported cards created automatically based on your CSV file. Open a few cards to double-check that the titles, descriptions, and other details have been imported correctly. And that's it! You've successfully imported Trello cards from a CSV file using the Import to Trello by BlueCat Power-Up. This method saves a huge amount of time, especially if you're migrating from Excel, Google Sheets, or another project management tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity guides, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.